guys, welcome back to the Tough Dance Fitness Challenge sponsored by Tough Apparel. I'm your girl Chris Corio and we are at day 4 of 5. If you haven't joined in yet, make sure you check my timeline for all the details of the movements that are going to be shown in the choreo at the end of this here video. Okay guys, so the fourth step is inclusive of a transition, and this transition is quite simply a whine which goes down to your lowest point. For you, that might be just standing here because your knees might not bend and you might not be able to hold up yourself enough. Other persons might be able to go down midway. Some persons might be able to go all the way down. All right, wherever it is, make sure that you wind go down and you keep your balance. All right, so here we go. 1, this is the transition. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the next step that you're going to be doing, if you're all the way down here, you can do it like this. The booty pops back. So look at me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you can only manage to do midway or at this normal height, which is standing, you can just open the legs at a slight second position, just like this, turn the knees out and have a slight relaxation in the knees and just go here. 1, down. Okay, so if I turn sideways, this is what it looks like, modified version. 1, 2, 3, 4, see my booty popping, 7, 8. Midway now, if you can only go here, it's the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remember, transitioning goes from whining for 8, and then we go into the boom pan it. And remember, the boom pan it goes down to the extremes of your whine. So if your whine stops here, that's where your boom pan it movement will happen. So let's do everything from the Beyonce walk right down to boom pan it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Broke back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Girl, I told you this is the Tough Dance Fitness Challenge, and it is living up to its name. See you tomorrow for another episode, the final in this Tough Dance Fitness Challenge. I'm out.